Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding sample paper for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA for various university and institutes like AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test CUT PG, JIPMER Puducherry, Nimhans Bangalore, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, King George Medical University, Christian Medical College Vellore, Lucknow University, Punjab University, SGPGI Lucknow, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here first question is John Snow located source of. Options are A. Cholera, B. Typhoid, C. Plague, D. All. Correct answer is option A. Cholera. John Snow located source of cholera. Its explanation is John Snow 15 March 1813 to 16 June 1858 was an English physician and a leader in the development of anesthesia and medical hygiene. He is considered one of the founders of modern epidemiology, in part because of his work in tracing the source of a cholera outbreak in Soho, London in 1854, which he curtailed by removing the handle of a water pump. So John Snow located source of cholera. Next question is overall meteorology of geography is known as. Options are A. Climate, B. Global warming, C. Climate change, D. None. Correct answer is option A. Climate. Overall meteorology of geography is known as climate. So overall meteorology of geography is known as climate. Its explanation is meteorology, scientific study of atmospheric phenomena, particularly of the atmosphere and lower stratosphere. Meteorology entails the systematic study of weather and its causes and provides the basis for weather forecasting. So overall meteorology of geography is known as climate. Next question is CDM stands for. Options are A. Clean Development Mechanism, B. Community Development Mechanism, C. Clear Development Model, D. None. Correct answer is option A. Clean Development Mechanism. CDM stands for Clean Development Mechanism. Its explanation is under the clean development of mechanism, emission reduction projects in developing countries can earn certified emission reduction credits and contribute to sustainable development. So CDM stands for Clean Development Mechanism. Next question is a method of comparing the monetary value of all benefits of a project with all cost of that project is known as. A method of comparing the monetary value of all benefits of a project with all cost of that project is known as. Options are A. Cost benefit analysis, B. Cost effective analysis, C. Cost utility analysis, D. Cost effective analysis. Correct answer is option A. Cost benefit analysis. A method of comparing the monetary value of all benefits of a project with all cost of that project is known as. Correct answer is cost benefit analysis. Its explanation is benefit cost analysis is a technique for evaluating a project or investment by comparing the economic benefits of an activity with the economic cost of the activity. Typically, we use the symbol B to represent our measure of benefits and the symbol C to represent our measures of cost. Benefit cost analysis has several objectives. Next question is in healthcare market, if supply increases, demand In healthcare market, if supply increases, demand options are A increases, B decreases, C first increases, then decreases, D remains same. Correct answer is option B decreases. In healthcare market, if supply increases, demand, correct answer is decreases. So in healthcare market, if supply increases, demand decreases. Its explanation is the law of demand applies to healthcare as in other markets. As the price of healthcare increases, you demand less of it. But we must be careful. What matters is the price of healthcare to you. If you have health insurance, this price may be much lower than the actual cost of providing you with care. Next question is most common side effect of IUD. That is intrauterine device is most common side effect of IUD. That is intrauterine device is options are A bleeding, B UTI unitary tract infection, C leukorrhea, D amenorrhea. Correct answer is option A bleeding. Most common side effect of IUD, that is intrauterine device is correct answer is bleeding. Most common intrauterine device IUD side effect in comparing and heavy menstrual bleeding. The minor side effects are listed as acne and weight gain. While these issues may be annoying and weight gain has the potential to become a serious problem, they usually pose no immediate health threat. So most common side effect of IUD, that is intrauterine device, is bleeding. Next question is infective stage of entamoeba histolytica is. Infective stage of entamoeba histolytica is. Options are A trophozoite, B cyst, C sporozoite, D merozoites. Correct answer is option B cyst. Infective stage of entamoeba histolytica is. Correct answer is cyst. So cyst is the infective stage of entamoeba histolytica. Cyst is the infective stage of entamoeba histolytica. Its explanation is infection by entamoeba histolytica. The infective stage of entamoeba histolytica in the environment is the cyst. Cysts are resistant to desiccation, surviving in a drying environment at least 12 days at up to 50 degrees centigrade. They are able to persist in water environment for 30 plus days. Trophozoites cannot survive in the environment. Next question is constant presence of disease in an area during a period of time is. Constant presence of disease in an area during a period of time is. Options are endemic, B epidemic, C sporadic, D pandemic. Correct answer is option A endemic. Constant presence of disease in an area during a period of time is. Correct answer is endemic. So constant presence of disease in an area during a period of time is. Correct answer is endemic. Its explanation is endemic refers to the constant presence and or usual prevalence of a disease or infectious agent in a population within a geographic area. Hyperendemic refers to persistent high levels of disease occurrence. Occasionally the amount of disease in a community rises above the expected level. Next question is PNMR refers to. PNMR refers to options are A post-neonatal mortality rate, B postnatal mortality rate, C perinatal mortality rate, D perinatal mortality rate. Prenatal mortality rate. Correct answer is option C perinatal mortality rate. PNMR refers to perinatal mortality rate. Its explanation is perinatal mortality. The PNMR refers to the number of perinatal deaths per 1,000 total births. It is usually reported on an annual basis. It is a major marker to assess the quality of healthcare delivery. Comparisons between different rates may be hampered by varying definitions, registration bias, and differences in the underlying risk of populations. Next question is a baby is called exclusively breastfeed if he/she is breastfed for. A baby is called exclusively breastfeed if he or she is breastfed for. Options are A 2 to 3 months, B 3 to 4 months, C 3 to 5 months, D 7 to 8 months. Correct answer is option C 3 to 5 months. A baby is called exclusively breastfeed if he/she is breastfed for. Correct answer is 3 to 5 months. So a baby is called exclusively breastfeed if she is breastfed for 3 to 5 months. Its explanation is exclusive breast milk feeding is defined as a newborn receiving only breast milk and no other liquids or solids except for drops or syrups consisting of vitamins, minerals or medicines. If the newborn receives any other liquids including water during the entire hospitalization, select a level valuable. No exclusive breast milk feeding includes the newborn receiving breast milk via bottle or other means beside the breast. So in this video, information regarding sample paper for the preparation of MPH and MHA entrance exam has been given for various university and institutes for online coaching and important questions PDF notes. Students can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.